your chord will sound so much better if you stop making these common mistakes while playing. And the last one is kind of controversial, but I stand by it. Mistake that you need to avoid is to stop playing your chords in root position. If we consider the song Pass Me Not, let me play it in the key of C for you, and let me show you what mistakes it is. A lot of intermediate tend to play their chord in root position, and this is a big mistake. The song says, now you have the melody, but what most musicians will do, they will just play it in root position. And this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because when you play it in root position, it sounds a bit muddy. So you need to learn how to invert those chords in first position, or first inversion, or second inversion. So let's do it this way. See, I will do. Now, I play more chords, but that's not the point. The point is to invert your chords. Now you can see, I don't just play the root position. It sounds too basic. So avoid this kind of mistake. Stay with me as we go into point number 2. And also the last one is one that actually you need to definitely learn, because that will step up your playing. Because the last one is extremely important, and that will help elevate your playing. Mistake number 2 that a lot of intermediate make is that they do not add any passing chords to their song. If they're doing the same song, now you can see and you can tell that there's a problem, is that your ear is expecting more chords. And if you add some passing chord into them, now, we all can agree that this sound way better because I move from here. Now, before I go to 6, because I can feel the 6 right here, I just add this 3 right here. Now you can see that it sounds way better than just having. Obviously, this is way too basic, so make sure that you add some passing chords, which is some chords you use to get from one to the next. It's like a bridge. So I do use this 3 right here to get to the 6. Okay? I use, to get to the 6, I use 3. To get to the 5, I just use 2 as a secondary dominant. And then that definitely moved me from G to C. So I add a lot more passing chords that makes my chord a lot more richer and fuller, and also a lot more going on that's a lot more interesting to the ear. So now, if you do find value in this lesson, do definitely subscribe and leave me a comment so far. Let me know that if you got it, if you don't understand it. If you do understand it, let me know. If you don't, I can always explain that. But also, I do have a Patreon page where you can support me. You're going to find the link in the description. And a monthly subscription where I go deeper, very deep into explanation. I even use grand piano to explain it note by note what I do, in case if it's too fast. So you can always support me at different level. Check my Patreon page in the description, and then so we can actually help support this channel. Right? Just make sure you follow all the way to the end, because the last one, you do not want to miss it. And the last mistake you should definitely avoid making is to just play your chord without adding extensions to them. All right. Now, this is important because you can hear a beginner when you hear them play basic chords with no extension. Now, before I play that, I want you to let me know in the comment, what did you notice that changes between me and my appearance versus, the two previous mistake that I told you to avoid? Is now. Just let me know what you noticed that has changed. I just wanted to make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. Okay, just write that right there at in the comment box. All right. So add extension. So what you do, if you have the C, E, G, that's basic. Once you have B flat, it's C7, right? Those extensions, upper extensions, could be anything like flat 9, sharp 9, sharp 11, right? Flat 13, or sharp 5. So once we have this added here, this make it a C7, right? You can play like that, or you could spread it out anyhow you want to. But what you need to do is to add this extension to them, whether it's a flat 9 or whether it's sharp 9, or you could even do this if you want to. This is a 13 sharp 9 or 13 flat 9. You hear? And also you need to learn how to hear them too. So when the beginners play the song, let's say you play, you don't hear those either diminishes. See, this is a F7 flat 9. Okay. So you need to add this because they will add flavor, interest, harmonic interest, and some nicer tension into your chords. So intermediate tends to play them like this. But somebody who's playing a bit more advanced will do like this. Diminished right here, 7. They even do this. This is an E flat, major 7. Then do this. See right here, I just do a C7 flat 9. And here I have a tritone with F inverted. It's a B flat major 7. So do not make this mistake of playing the song without adding those three things. I repeat them. You gotta play them rootless, with no root. Stop playing those root, and also add some passing chord. So you go into the 6, do this dominant 7 to the 6, and also add some extension to your stuff. And start playing C7, make them 13, flat 9, you know, add those extension. And definitely you're gonna hear that you're gonna sound a lot more advanced, and you know, your playing will sound a lot more interesting. Don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know what you see that changes. I just wanted to see if you are with me at the end of the video. Type in the comment below. Also, don't forget you can go and support me in my Patreon. I'm building those videos. I'm gonna post about 20 of them, and for different levels with more details. All right. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Please go and check all my videos. Some concept I repeat them over so that you can learn them from this perspective. So some concept I explain them over so you can learn them from different perspective. And if I'm going too fast for you, I will slow them down in my Patreon. I also have some video I'm going to post also here where I have deeper explanation. But I want to make sure that you guys are engaged with me, that you let me know what's wrong, what needs to be fixed, and how I can help you. Remember, this is not for beginners. This is for people who have some chord knowledge already, who knows the C minor 7, the dominant 7. We talk about C, the A minor 7, the A dominant 7. You know, if I'm talking about some A diminished, you know what that is, or A diminished 7, or A or diminished 7, what they call A diminished 7. You know what those are, or some A half diminished, you know what that is, or A minor, or A diminished 7, you know what that is, A minor 7, you know what that is, C, and if I do A augmented, you know what that is also. All right, see you in the next lesson.